guys, welcome back to another video on my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get a Roblox avatar, wallpaper or background for your iPad, phone or computer. First you want to search up Unique Photo Shoot on Roblox, and this is the game that you want to join. You want to go to servers and join the server with the least amount of people. Once you are in, you want to go to the three dots in the circle at the top, and you want to select inventory and want to pull all those things up so then they're not in your way. Also close your leaderboard. You want to go over to the face area if you have joined their group. This part is for the people who have joined their group. So once you walk in, choose a face, but I recommend using the blank one because it gives it more of an aesthetic vibe and look. So now you want to go to the wallpapers over here down the hallway. I recommend using the white one because it gives you better results. But if you want to try it out, you can use the other different colors that they have. If someone is already trying to take a picture on the white background, please wait your turn and don't get in the way of their photo. So once it is your turn, go up to the white background and get into your position and take a screenshot. Once you've taken your screenshot, just crop it into the size of your liking. Also, don't forget to save to photos. Once you have done that, you want to leave the game and get an app called iBiz Paint. Once you are in, you want to go to My Gallery, the plus sign, and click on Import Picture. Then you want to click on All Photos and select your photo. Once you've selected your photo, click Cancel and OK to all of the questions. Once you've done all of that, you want to go to Layers and select the layer above your picture. Then you want to go to Bucket on the side and click anywhere on the white surface. Then you want to fill in all those little white gaps that it did not get to. Once you've done all of that, go to Layers and click on your photo. Once you have selected your photo, you want to go to the dotted line and click on Clear Layer. Then you want to go to Layers and click on the middle thing underneath Normal. Then you want to click on Remove Selected Layer. Then you want to go to Lasso and draw a line around your arm and move it into whatever you want to do. You also have to put it into this perspective form. You can also select blur if you need to blur out any areas where it doesn't look correct. After you finish fixing up that arm, you can select Lasso again and do the same thing with the other one, except not like to the hip. You can just straighten it, but this part is also optional, so yeah. You can also draw in some little touch-ups if you need to. Once you are happy with your full design, you can touch the arrow down the bottom and save as transparent PNG. Once you have saved it as a transparent PNG, you want to go to Safari and search up a cute aesthetic background. It doesn't have to be aesthetic. Once you are in Safari, search up your background and find a background that you are happy with. Then hold down on the photo and click on Add to Photos. Now you want to download an app called PastelxVibes. PastelxVibes is easy and free to use. Once you're in PastelxVibes, you want to click the little plus sign down the bottom and select the background that you have chosen. Once you have your photo up and ready to go, you want to select Photo, Add Photo down the bottom, and select the photo that you just transferred from the other app. Then you want to size it up to the size that you want to. It can be as big as you want and or as small as you want. After you do that, you can add any little fun touch-ups. Stickers are down the bottom, and you can use stickers of whatever you want to. I'm adding butterflies because they match my avatar. If you are annoyed that any of the stickers got in the way of your avatar, you can always go around and erase the little parts that got in your way. Once you are also happy with that, you can go to brushes down the bottom and you can select any of the designs that you want. I chose little sparkles or stars or whatever, and I thought they were really cute. Once you have done that, if they have gotten in the way of your avatar, again, like the other ones, you can always go around and erase some of the stuff if you need to. Now once you are happy with your picture, you can click Apply, Next, Save, and Download Picture. So guys, that was it for today's video. Hope it helped you guys, and if you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe with notifications on. Also, while you're here, click the like and comment if you can. Bye guys!